How to prepare for an exam, step-by-step guide 1. Understand the exam requirements. Before you start studying, get clarity on what topics will be tested, the format, multiple choice, essay, oral, practical, exam duration, allowed materials, calculator, notes, etc. This helps you focus on what matters most instead of studying blindly. 2. Create a study plan. A plan reduces stress and keeps you organized. Checkmark steps to make a good study plan. Break the material into small sections. Set daily study goals. Use a calendar or planner. Review difficult topics multiple times. Schedule short breaks to avoid burnout. Tip: start early. Even 30 minutes a day for a month is better than 8 hours the night before. 3. Use effective study techniques. Different methods work for different people, but these are scientifically proven. Active recall. Test yourself instead of rereading. Examples: flashcards, practice questions, explaining the topic in your own words. Spaced repetition. Review information at increasing intervals. Day 1, Day 3, Day 7, Day 14. This helps move information into long-term memory. Summarizing notes. Write short summaries to understand core ideas. Teach someone else. Teaching forces your brain to organize and remember information more effectively. 4. Eliminate distractions. Create a study environment that helps you focus. Put your phone away. Use website blockers. Keep your desk clean. Study in a quiet place. The easier it is to focus, the faster you learn. 5. Practice with past exams. One of the best methods to prepare. Understand how questions are asked. Identify weak areas. Improve time management. Try to simulate real exam conditions. 6. Take care of your health. Your brain performs best when your body is well rested. Sleep. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep, especially the night before the exam. Stress management. Try breathing exercises, short walks, stretching, listening to calm music. Green apple, healthy food. Avoid heavy, sugary foods before studying. Choose fruits, nuts, or light snacks. 7. Stay positive and confident. Mindset matters. Believe in your preparation. Avoid comparing yourself to others. Use positive self-talk. Visualize doing well on the exam. Confidence improves performance. 8. What to do the day before the exam. Review key summaries. Don't try to learn new complex topics. Pack everything you need: pencil, calculator, ID, water. Get good sleep. 9. During the exam, read every question carefully. Manage your time. Answer easier questions first. Stay calm even if you don't know something right away. Quick checklist. Checkmark study plan created. Checkmark notes organized. Checkmark practice tests completed. Checkmark hard topics reviewed. Checkmark mind and body rested. Checkmark confidence high.